there, Ashlie Alvey here for FacePaintcom. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick demo on some great colors. These are from Cameleon. I have about 12 to share with you, so if you'd like to see how those perform, then stick around. Okay guys, so now that you saw the colors go onto the skin and how smooth and beautiful and vibrant the colors are, I do have a few that I want to mention that I probably won't be putting into my kit. And it's not anything to do with the color, but more the consistency. I like my colors to go on very opaquely, and the opacity in these three colors that I demoed today just didn't quite hit the mark for me. It's the Purple Poison, the Robin Egg, and the Midnight Blue. And it's nothing against the colors, it's just the opacity wasn't quite there for me. I really like to have colors that can be really easily sponged on, as well as put on with a brush for line work. So if that's something that's really important to you, that would be something to consider. All the other colors are probably going to go in my kit, at least to try out. I do already use the red and I repot mine, so that's why that's in a little square thing. Straight out of my kit. Also, this Bollywood pink, it's to die for. And I'm going to list all of the colors and their little numbers that coincide with them onto the video here, so you can find them if you like them. This is very similar to the Global Magenta in my opinion. I would say it's very similar. So if you like that color but you can't find it perhaps, then this would be a good substitute for that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little demo. Let me know in the comments below what you think if you've tried them out. I'd love to hear about it, what your thoughts are, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!